Get ready for the dictation on the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Sir, now he read out some of the measures that the finance minister has taken. The repeated double dose of devaluation, etc. The fact is that there was exchange rate situation not in line with the market. So far as Indian rupee is concerned, it had to be brought to a realistic level. After all, the external price of rupee is a function of supply and demand of rupee in the international market. By artificially pegging it high, you are creating problems for yourself. It does not solve the problem. Of course, under the floating exchange rate situation, the price gets adjusted parity, but it needed realignment substantially and what you call double dose. Of course, there were two steps, and perhaps it could have been done in the first step. I concede that point. Maybe the finance minister wanted to have your reaction first and then go about it further. But ex post facto judgment is that the exchange value of rupee is more realistic today. Are you suggesting that it should have been retained at the same level? Reflect on that and then react. You have talked about fertilizer subsidy. Let us face this fact. The fertilizer subsidy was a load on the economy. Subsidies must have economic rationality, and all steps which you take may have historical rationality at some point. But simply because you gave one, they do not remain rational. They become irrelevant, and the fertilizer subsidy is a good case where initially it was needed. It served its purpose. It has delivered, among other things, a kind of vibrant rural economy in the Green Revolution area. But let us go deep into that. What is now the productivity of the agricultural sector in the Green Revolution? The prime beneficiary of the fertilizer subsidy. Is it going up, or has it reached a plateau or not? Who are the primary beneficiaries? Do they pay income tax? Are they not the beneficiaries of frequent procurement price rise twice in the previous government? Of course, you had your voters to reward. Political compulsions you had to face. Fortunately or unfortunately, it has not helped you in this round of election. But in previous round, it had helped you. The other part is that is there other kind of subsidy for the agricultural sector? If you want agricultural sector to flourish, we need capital intensity for economic development.